I'm excited to bring you, today we're having our Dickey sew along, and I put up some fabrics that would be great for the Dickey. And this first one is a teal. Of course, we know that teal goes with so much, but this teal has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. It's beautiful. It'd be great for one of the views of the Dickey, the little turtleneck. And it's not a turtleneck, but it has a little turtleneck to it. This would work really well. And then we have this floral, and this floral is what I'm using for my main body today because it just goes with so much. I love it. Now, all of these fabrics we had for the fabric sale, so just be aware that if you have something similar, it's because you may have ordered it. But anyway, this has stretch in one direction. You'll see what I'm doing with it today. It's just a beautiful piece, and it's a beautiful fringe. The fringe is what got me. I shouldn't say that. The whole fabric got me, but it's just really stunning and really beautiful. This is a wool. Sorry, this floral is a wool poly blend. Then this is 100% wool. It's a wool knit. It has stretch in one direction. Just a beautiful brown, beautiful piece of fabric. Just lovely. I'm very proud of the pricing. I'm very proud of all of this. This is 100% cotton. It's a corduroy denim. This is the right side. It is I guess you could use either side really. It's really meant to be reversible. This is rag and bone. And it's really, really just nice. It's a nice fabric. It is a woven, but you'll see that. So these are all Dickey uses is what I'm thinking of that go with this. And you'll see this combination. You'll see some of these combinations today. This is a wool jersey, 100% wool. This is a Christian Dior. It has slight stretch in both directions, but it's slight. It's not big stretch. But this, I thought this would be great for a hoodie. You know, again, that would coordinate really well today. And that's what we're talking about. We're talking about getting a yard of fabric and making it go for a Dickey and coordinating it all together. So it's going to be really fun today. Our sew along is at 2 o'clock. Then this is a wine reversible. This would be great for one of the views as well. Remember, jean jackets can go with many things. There's a little bit of wine in this brown, so it really works well together. Anyway, so there we go. We have a reversible. This is a cotton poly. Beautiful wine piece. And again, it blends in with everything else. So we take these colors that look beautiful together, and we have happy sewing.